Hello everyone, I am Dilasha Kharel and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonates with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So, today's reading is about the October monthly prediction for the zodiac sign of Taurus. So, let's see, Taurus, what the month of October has in store for you. So, we will look into the messages from the Angels' Answers, from the Life Purpose Oracle, and the Romance Angels later. First, let's start with the Tarot deck. So, Taurus, from the Tarot deck, we have for you the World card. Okay. Then we have the Page of Cups. Then we have the Death card. Okay. Then we have the Sun card. We have the Ace of Pentacles. We have the Six of Cups. Okay. We have the Queen of Cups. And we have the Nine of Cups. Wow. Beautiful energy, Taurus. So, yes, Taurus, I feel in the month of October, yes, there is going to be huge transformation. Yes, a very positive month ahead. Yes, a very beautiful transformation. Yes, in a very positive way. And also, Taurus, I feel that yes, you are going to be celebrating a lot in the month of October. Yes, I feel that yes, in the month of October, one phase of your life is coming to an end, and the next phase in your life is going to come into your life. Yes, there are going to be new beginnings. Yes, a very positive changes and beautiful transformations are ahead. Yes, and also I feel that yes, some of you are going to travel to some new countries as well, and also some of you, you could be changing your eating habits. You could be starting a healthy lifestyle. Yes, your health is going to improve a lot in the month of October. And also you people are going to be very successful in whatever that you do. Yes, in whatever work that you do, could be in business, at your work job. Yes, in whatever that you do, you are going to be really successful. And also I feel that yes, some of you, you could start some new business. Yes, something of your own as well in the month of October. And also I feel that yes, there are chances of birth of a child as well. Yes, and also for those of you who are students, I feel that you are going to be working really hard, and you are also going to be very good in your studies as well. Yes, and also for some of you, you are going to be very connected to your emotions. And also in the month of October, Taurus, you people are going to be very creative as well. Yes, and yes, angels, they are going to fulfill your wishes as well. So yes, keep thinking positive thoughts, and yes, if you want something, then yes, ask angels for that, because yes, your wishes, your prayers are going to be answered. Yes. And also yes, you are going to enter into a period of prosperity and success in the month of October. And also financially, also yes, a very good month ahead. Also, I feel that some of you could, you could be working in some media, or some of you could be a model, or you could work in a theater, some plays as well. Yes. And also, Taurus, some of you, for some of you, yes, there are chances that your ex could return. They could come back into your life, and you know your relationship, it could move into positive directions. Yes. And also, for those of you who are single, yes, someone new is going to come into your life, and you know this could be, yes, your someone from your childhood friend. They are going to come and offer and express you their love. And for some of you, like it could be for very few of you, like there could be an age gap between both of you. Yes. But this relationship, it is going to be a very prosperous, and it is going to be a very loving relationship. Yes. And also, for those of you who are already in a relationship, yes, your relationship is moving into a beautiful direction. And yes, in the month of October, your health and your personality is also going to grow a lot. A very bright month ahead, and yes, with lot of opportunities and success. Very beautiful energy, Taurus. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels, and how is your love life going to be. We will look into details. So yes, we have, it is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Okay. Then we have soulmate. Okay. Yes, this is your soulmate. Wow. Then we have codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. Okay. And we have reconciliation. Okay. Someone from your past is returning to your life. So, yes, Taurus, angels, they are guiding you that yes, you need to open your heart to receive the love that is coming your way. Yes, you need to be, you need to open your heart to receive their blessings as well. Yes, because in the month of October, your prayers, your wishes are going to be answered. And also, we have the soulmate card. So, yes, the person that is coming into your life, yes, they are going to be your soulmate. Yes, and this is going to be a beautiful, a very loving relationship as well. And also, like some of you, you could be really obsessed about something. Like some of you could be very emotional, and you could be depending too much upon others to bring you happiness. So angels, they are guiding you that you need to focus on your self love. You need to start valuing yourself, start loving yourself, so that uh, more positivity could come into your life. Yes. And also, we have the reconciliation card. So for those of you who are waiting for their ex to return, so yes, angels, they are guiding you. They want you to know that yes, someone from your past is returning to your life. From the tarot deck as well, where we got the same message that yes, someone from your past, your ex, could be coming back into your life, and both of you could reconcile with each other and take this relationship into positive directions as well. Now, let's see what messages we have for you from the Life Purpose Oracle, and how is your career going to be in the month of October. So, we have for you support. Your life purpose fully supports you. Okay. Then we have artist. Okay. Engaging in artistic activities is beneficial to your career and every other area of your life. Okay, then we have creative expressions. Okay, your soul longs to express itself creatively. And we have time to decide. Make a decision based on your heart's true desire. Okay, so yes, Taurus, angels, they want you to know that yes, in whatever that you do, whatever that is that you are going to work upon in your, could be in your relationship, could be in your health, could be in your career as well. Yes, for some of you, those who are planning to start a new business as well, yes, angels, they want you to know that they are going to support you completely. You have their blessings and their support. And also some of you, you could be getting into some creative activities. Yes, you are going to explore that creative side of yours. Yes, and some of you could also be an artist as well. Yes, and also we have the time to decide. So yes, angels, they are asking you that you need to be very clear about what is that you want, and you need to make a decision based on what your heart desires for you, because yes, your wishes are going to be fulfilled, your prayers are going to be answered in the month of October. So yes, decide what is that you want. And also, if you are going to make any decision, that angels, they are asking you to follow your heart. Yes, now let's see what guidance, what messages we have for you from the angels answers for the month of October. So Taurus, we have for you communicate clearly. Okay, then we have recovery. Okay, and we have forgiveness. Okay, so yes, Taurus, angels, they are asking you that before you move forward, you need to communicate clearly about your feelings, your desires uh, to other people, and clear any misunderstanding that could create any challenges for you in the future. So yes, you need to discuss very clearly. And also you need to be very careful about what you say to other people as well. Yes, be very clear in your communication. That is what angels are guiding you in the month of October. And also yes, you are going to regain your strength, your power in the month of October. Yes, for those of you who were not feeling that strong, that vibrant, yes, your health is also going to recover, and your health is going to improve a lot. And also I feel that for some of you, if you are really worried about uh, the health of someone very close to you, uh, could be your father, I feel, or could be your children as well. So yes, even their health is also going to improve a lot in the month of October. Yes, and also angels, they are guiding you that you need to let go of any negative thoughts and beliefs, and you need to let go of any guilt that you could be holding in your heart, any sadness, any pain as well. So yes, they are guiding you that you need to forgive yourself and free yourself of any negative emotions. And yes, you need to focus on the changes, the positivity that you have made, because it has made you a very better person. Yes, and it has make your life very move into positive directions as well. So yes, very beautiful energy, Taurus. So yes, that was all for you, Taurus. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you liked my reading. So if the messages resonated with you, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you liked my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, Taurus. I hope you all have a good month ahead. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.